I'm going to try to finish the test by recording my voice. Hopefully it's beneficial for some of you that didn't get this log and we don't have time to go over it. So here's number 4. That's the question that had the following. So it's 3x minus 1 is equal to 5 times 2 to the power of 3x. Okay, first things first, you need to log both sides. So you're going to log 3x minus 1 is equal to log 5 times 2 to the power of 3x. Then you're going to apply the properties. My favorite one is pulling that exponent to the front. So you're going to do x minus 1 in brackets, and then it's log of 3 is equal to log of 5. You're going to apply the properties of logs. So a multiplication becomes a plus, and then you write log of 2 to the power of 3x. Now here you have a choice. That 3x, you can pull it to the front in 2 ways. I'm going to show you the 2 ways here on the side because there are options. You can write out 3x log of 2, or you can just pull the x to the front and keep the 3 to the power. It's one or the other because 2 times 2 times 2 would therefore make x log of 8. You can do either this or that. They are both correct. You would do whatever is easier for you at that moment. Now you're going to do the distribution property. You're going to multiply the log of 3 with whatever's inside that bracket. So it becomes x log of 3 minus log of 3, because this times minus 1 is minus log of 3, equals log of 5 plus, I'm going to pull that x to the front, log of 2 to the power of 3. I'm going to just rewrite it with simplifying the log at the very end, just so that you can see that it's log of 8. Okay, at this point, I'm going to take all my x's and I'm going to put them on one side. I'm going to go with the left. So x log of 3 minus x log of 8 equals, and then I'll just put all my numbers to the other side. So log of 5 stays here and plus log of 3. Now I'm going to factor out the x. So x log of 3 minus log of 8 is equal to, well, you could rewrite this or you could do the properties, which is combining it in one shot, and that's 5 times 3 because a plus becomes a multiplication. Okay, I don't have space, so I'm going to go to another page, and it was x log of, what was it? 3 minus log of 8 is equal to, log of 15. Now, you could apply the property right here as well, which is x log of 3 divided by 8, because subtraction is a division, is equal to the log of 15. And now you're going to isolate your x. That means you're going to divide this thing on that side. So log of 15 over log of 3/8. I'm very happy with an answer like this. I don't need you to go further. If you really want to take it a step further, I think it's something like negative 2.76, but this is what we're looking for. If you can do this without a calculator, that's the best thing. All right, moving on to the next number. I'm going to go, and this was calculate the solution. So this is number 5 from the test, and it said log of 3 4x plus 3 is equal to 3 minus log of 3x. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to put all my logs on one side, and I'm going to just change the sign because I'm just moving it over, and I'm going to keep my 3. Now there's 2 ways of doing this. You either recognize that this thing here is a 3, it's a number, and it's not as a log. You have a choice. You either could express it as a log, so you can do this, log of 27 and 3, or, the other way around, sorry. No, let me erase that. Sorry. I meant 27 over, put the base here and the 27, which I got by doing 3 to the power of 3. And if you want to write it out like that, you could. And then all you have to do is put the properties together. I just do that after. I do it like this. First, I put this as one property. So I write log of 3 is 4x plus 3 times x equals 3. And then I do rewrite. So when I say rewrite, I recognize that this is a base, this is an exponent, and this is an answer. So you're going to rewrite it as 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 4x plus 3 times x, which makes 27 is equal to 4x squared plus 3x, which is 0 is equal to 4x squared plus 3x minus 27, and then you're ready to factor. So when you factor, it becomes 4x squared minus 9x, no, sorry, it was plus 3x. My bad, hold on. Okay, so plus 3x minus 27 equals 0. Either you use the quadratic formula or you do factoring, whatever you want, or the quadratic. What you end up getting, 4 times negative 27 is minus 108. And then the factors of 108 are 9 and 12. I'll put a positive here for my second column because my b is positive. My answer has to be negative. So 4x squared minus 9x plus 12x minus 27. I'm basically just bringing this down. You guys could make your own methods of factoring. I don't care what you use as long as you're getting the right answer. Plus, I could take out a 3, and I'm left with 4x minus 9 equals 0. So my answer is x minus 3, and 4x minus 9 equals 0. Plus 3. So x equals to negative 3, and 4x minus 9 equals to 0. 4x equals 9, x equals 9 over 4. We reject this one, and our answer is x is equal to 9 over 4. Okay, next question.